Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be flipping a 2005 Honda Civic. So yes, this wasn't an accident. It was a front end accident. I got it from an insurance company at Copart, all right, for a spanking crazy deal, insane deal for $1,500. Drive is an automatic transmission, AC works, and lastly, the car does run and drive. Just watch. Runs and drives perfectly. AC works, everything is just a dream for the budget. I'm selling this for $3,000. My budget is max $2,000. I think $1,800 with the fees and the car itself. All I need is the front bumper. I'm gonna go to pull apart right now and see what I can get. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just find a front bumper. Leave a like, subscribe, hit the share button, hit the bell. Please show some love, guys. I want to see some comments in my videos. I want to see some likes. Please let me know you guys are watching, all right? Anyways, let's go. So we're here at the Junkyard. We visited 2 different locations. No luck. We couldn't find a Civic that had a front bumper. We found one, but it was beat up. So we went on ahead and ordered a brand new one to higher the chances of it being sold, all right? It had a black primer, so we just paid $250 to get it painted. So it did spend a little bit more than I planned, but it's definitely gonna higher the chances of it being sold. So we went on ahead and just applied it 2 screws and a few tabs. Brand new, looks like nothing ever happened. Took off the marker streaks the insurance like to put on in these cars when they total it out, and also cleared out the front headlights, all right? These headlights look beautiful, and also cleaned the engine bay, all right? Just wiped it down and used trim conditioning, and it looks brand spanking new, all right? We also went on ahead and just obviously took out all the trash. We can't sell a car with trash in it. Then we took it to get it washed, all right? Then from there, we also just went on ahead and took some photos and posted on Facebook. Anyways, let me go ahead and just take you right back into the scene. All right, so this 2005 Honda Civic is finally done. I wasn't able to find the front bumper, so I bought a new one and got someone to repaint it. Here is the work. It looks beautiful. It looks amazing. Looks brand spanking banging new, all right? This car has 120k miles. We're looking to sell this from 3k to 3.5. Let me show you the inside. All right, guys, take a look. It's amazing. 2005 Honda Civic, runs and drives. Again, 120k miles, automatic transmission for 3k to 3.5. You cannot beat the price, all right? The people are asking 4k to 4.5. So we're gonna go ahead and take these photos. All the quadrants are up in the screen, the interior, the exterior. We're gonna go ahead and get selling on Facebook, all right? Let's go! All right, guys, the car sold for $3,500, $500 for a total profit for $1,000 and some change, all right? So I never done a personal check, but he paid $3,756 and he paid the sales tax. So we made $3,500 flat. Literally, I'm not gonna say it was easy, but it was easy. Ordered a front bumper, gave it to the guy, $250, he painted it, I just put it on and we posted it. Sold in 2 days and we made $3,500 for a total for $1,000 profit. Please leave a like, subscribe, hit the share button, and hit the bell. Do everything, show some love. 3 cars are on the way. 2 cars are already here, ready to sell. So guys, we have a lot of content packed and loaded and cocked and loaded for y'all, all right? So anyways, please stay tuned. I love y'all and